Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Shiny Hisuian Zorua. Thanks to Axton for your suggestion, mate. Hope I do a great job for you and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's start with the hair. So I'm going to draw some hair. Like, you can spiral this up how you like, whether you want it more streamlined or whether you want to follow like mine. That's the top of the head. Now it's time for the face, so I'm going to draw a line down here and then into the pointy bit for the nose. And I'm just going to draw a little black part for the nose and a little mouth here. Now the eye shape is like an oval shape, like so, with an eyelid and the eye, like so. There we go, and I'm drawing from a YouTube video of the game, someone playing the game. Now we've got the couple of little bits of the hair through on the side here, and then I'm just going to bring the ears back, one ear, like so, and then bring the inside of that back like that, and then you might put the other side ear on. Now let's draw like it's almost like a cool scarf. So you can bring this around. If you want it thinner, you can, but I'm going to bring the scarf around. And again, however you want to spiral that out or flick that out will look good. Do some curvy lines through there. Now the body, I'm going to put the body on. So one leg coming down, coming back up into the underside of the body, the back leg sort of like so. It's the front back leg. And then I'm going to draw the back leg coming back like this. And then this, I'm going to put the tail in there. And this other front leg, but on the other side, just a bit smaller through there. Now we've got the body coming down, and then you can do on a tail. Now you might do one or two depending on what you want to do. I'm going to have two bits coming out, one shorter one, and then another one coming up and around like so.